In the time of pop drinking, numerous sound refreshments have been hidden away from plain view. One such power drink has been given the name golden milk. When you hear more about this fluid gold in the present video, you will most likely be enlivened to make your own drink at home. There's no compelling reason to worry on the off chance that you are lactose bigoted. It's not genuinely milk. It's a mix of coconut milk and oil alongside different flavors. To begin with, how about we make a beeline for the kitchen and open up the flavor cupboard? With the exception of the coconut milk, you may as of now have the fixings you will require. 1. Turmeric. This strong zest is a characteristic cure that has now been named Lord of Assuaging Joint and Muscle Torment. The individuals who join turmeric into their everyday weight control plans can likewise profit by enhanced skin conditions. It can upgrade gut well-being, and lift our respiratory and invulnerable frameworks, because of its calming and against microbial properties. 2. Ginger. Likewise stacked with compelling calming properties, ginger mixes pleasantly with turmeric to give golden milk its shading. 3. Coconut milk. This delicious rich milk is a powerhouse of vitamin B, magnesium, and the great sort of unsaturated fats. Minerals called electrolytes additionally swim laps inside the coconut milk, which are imperative in muscle activity, keeping up appropriate blood pH and numerous different procedures. Coconut oil additionally supports the stomach-related and invulnerable framework, advances weight reduction, and gives our appearance a solid shine. 4. Dark pepper. As strong as turmeric seems to be, it's essentially sit still until the point that dark pepper shoot it up to discharge its mystery weapons. When dark pepper initiates it, turmeric discharges its operators to battle free radicals, treat normal icy side effects, help in processing and battle pallor. 5. Nectar. Thank heavens for those honeybees. Without them we wouldn't have this rich syrup stacked with solid advantages. Nectar contains antibacterial properties and can even enable our bodies to unwind so we can get the chance to rest. Since we have the fixings, here's the manner by which we'll gauge them and begin. Golden milk recipe. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 little new ginger root, peeled and minced. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Dash of dark pepper. Some coconut milk. 1 teaspoon nectar. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, if wanted. Directions. In a pot, pour in the coconut milk and oil, include flavors, include nectar, warmth for 5 minutes, mixing consistently, pour in a glass, enable it to cool a little and appreciate.